In this video, I'll show you how to save files to a USB drive. Here you can see I've got some files which I'm going to copy and save on my drive. So what I'm going to do is plug in my USB drive, and I recommend you do the same. Once you've plugged it in, your computer may recognize the drive and open up File Explorer. If it doesn't, we can go ahead and find it later. What you do need to do though is find the files. So my files are in a folder located on the desktop, but you can open up your File Explorer and then find any of the files you want to save. I'm going to go ahead and highlight all of these files. We'll right click and click on copy. Once we've got all of our files copied, we can go to our File Explorer, then go to this PC. Then you'll see your USB flash drive, which you can go ahead and double click on. Then if you right click anywhere on screen, you can click on paste, and you will then paste the files from your computer to your drive. You've now saved them. You can now go to the upwards arrow in the bottom right click and eject your USB drive.